going to step out from this Lucknow metro after one station. That is the destination point for me, and even the terminating point as far as this Lucknow metro is concerned, right? So Chaudhary Charan Singh Airport is the terminating point from here. To another side is Munsipulia, right? So if you want to travel between this route, this is one of the best way. Otherwise, there are so many other transport mode as well, like auto, rickshaws, and electric e-rickshaw, and so many others. In India, you all know. So this is me feeling good. I mean, it's good to be like hassle-free journey and enjoying a journey, right? This is me.